Hi everybody, David here, Technical Manager from DMS. Today's video is a spotlight on a brand new product added to our portfolio. So if you find anything interesting today, please leave us a like and subscribe for future content. Today we'll be looking at a new electromagnetic flow meter design from Siemens. They've enhanced their existing offering with a few new features and a sleek design upgrade. So this is the combination of the FMT020, which is the transmitter, and the FMS500, which is the flow meter. The flow meter available as always from 15mm as your smallest diameter, right the way up to your large diameters of 2000 millimeters, and generally every size in between. All of them with a flanged connection. Your smaller models up to 40mm would be PN40 flanged, and from 50mm and above you can get variations of PN16 and PN10 with options available on request as well. So we can do some of your more specialist requirements like anti-150 or weirder and wonderful, hygienic joints as well. Really, the new upgrades come from the transmitter, as that's really what's been overhauled and changed from the original designs of the MAG 5000 and the MAG 6000. One key notable feature is that the analog output with the 4 to 20 milliamp range, previously used to monitor flow rate within the meter, it can now be used to measure the conductivity of the fluid. This will be a massive help for examples of data centers or any circuit with glycol content for, say, heating or cooling. By measuring the conductivity of the fluid automatically, you can measure what your glycol levels are like. So this will prevent the need for other peripheral devices, for more constant logging. The meter is taking care of that for you. So as the conductivity changes, you know that perhaps your glycol levels are too high or too low, and you can take immediate action. Another feature of the FMT020 is that the buttons now are integrated into the meter itself. It's more of a touch screen, whereas before physical buttons meant they could be damaged if something was to happen to the meter externally outside of anyone's control. The usual options are available. Either 230 volt mains feed or a 24 volt DC connection can be supplied to the meter as well. And in terms of BMS monitoring, it's not just your usual pulse and 4 to 20 milliamp. Modbus is still an option, Modbus RTU, and of course your heart protocols and your Profibus are available as outputs as well. So if there's any queries about whether this meter can fit in your application, your building management system, please feel free to contact the team in the office. You can catch us on the phone on 01773 534 555. You can drop us an email on meters@dmsltd.com. And of course, our website is a treasure trove of technical information and product highlights for you as well. So if you have any inquiries that you think maybe the Siemens Mag meter would be a suitable offering, please let us know. We'll be happy to support and get prices and quotes over to you. Thank you very much for watching today. As I've said, please stay subscribed for all future content from DMS. If you found this one interesting, please leave us a like, and we look forward to seeing you again in the next one. Bye-bye.